Welcome back to a new Hobbii tutorial. In today's episode, we'll have a look at how to crochet the sun from the Solstice Garland. The pattern is in the description box, so make sure to download it because it's absolutely free and it's a lot of fun. For this pattern, we'll be using some Friends cotton 8/8, a crochet hook size 4mm, that's a US size G6, a scissor, a tapestry needle, and some stitch markers. We will start off with using 2 strands of yarn held together, our Friends cotton 8/8 yarn in this beautiful beigey white color, and our glitter yarn Cocktail Deluxe in gold. We will now make a magic ring holding these 2 yarns together. First round, we will be doing 12 double crochets inside the magic ring. Then we're going to be joining it and chaining 1. In the second round, we are going to be doing 2 double crochets into each stitch. We are going to join in the round. So by the end of this round, you should have 24 stitches. And don't forget to chain at the end. In the third and last round, we're going to do the following 12 times. In the first stitch, we are going to first make 1 single crochet followed by 1 double crochet. Then we are going to be chaining. And then we're going to slip our hook in the stitches along the edge of the double crochet you've just made. Then we're going to slip stitch in the next stitch and repeat this 12 times. At the end, we're going to chain, then fasten off and weave in the ends.